Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shruti Verma, and I am chemistry faculty. Today, we are going to deal with a topic acid, base, and salt. It is a 10th class topic. And whenever we talk about any topic, we must know about the routine life application about that. So, you must have seen it is a general routine life practice that the children always have a junk food. They are quite loving the junk foods. So whenever they have that, they have acidity. The word acidity, whenever we use or listen by that, we can see that they face the stomach ache, or you can say vomiting, nausea. These are the general symptoms. So what is that? That is acidity. It means the level of acid is increased in their stomach. So what we will do? We generally provide them certain medicines that are present in a liquid form, and they contains antacids. Antacids means the chemical composition of antacids are base. So when acid react with base, it forms salt and water. And this reaction is termed as neutralization reaction. Okay, so these neutralization reactions give the relief from that abdominal pain. And another example for that, you know that whenever a bee sting, or you can say bee bite to a certain place or a skin, you can feel inflammation, redness, or you can say the swelling at that particular part. What is the reason behind that? Again, it contains acid in a bee sting called formic acid. So when we applied an ointment over it, ointment possesses again base in that. So when this formic acid react with this base, it again neutralize that, and neutralization reaction will happen there, and we get relief from that pain and the redness or the swelling from that. So generally these are the certain reactions which we deal in our routine life that are termed or relation with a neutralization reaction. First of all, we should know about the acid. What are the acids? Acid. Actually, this acid term comes from the word acidus, which means sour. So we can relate that anything which is sour in taste must be acidic in nature. Generally, we deal with routine life in lemon juice, orange, tamarind, apple. All these fruits are citrus fruits, and they are sour in taste. It means they must possess acid in them. Okay, so generally, we can say that acids are sour in taste, and we can see that there are certain acids which are very corrosive in nature. Generally, we can see that certain amount of acid or certain types of acids are available in the market which are used for cleaning purposes. So when they acid react with our cloths or any sensitive place like our skin, it will start irritating or burning that are corrosive in nature. So these are the basic features of acid. We can say sour in taste and corrosive in nature. But these are the properties of acid. There must be certain definition of acid. So what is that definition? That acid always gives protons or hydrogen ion in aqueous medium. Acids are those substances which provides us as H positive ions or protons in aqueous medium. Most important part, aqueous medium. So it must give hydrogen ion, or you can say protons in only aqueous medium. Now there must be certain classification of acid. On the basis of their sources, there are three categories of the acids. Generally, we can say that on the basis of source, they are organic acids and inorganic acid. Then on the basis of amount of acid present in the solution. Concentrated acid and dilute acid. Then on the basis of strength of acid, there is strong acid and weak acid. So first of all, we understand about the strength of acids. So when we talk about strength, strength means degree of dissociation. The term is degree of dissociation. It means whenever an acid dissociates into its ion, the amount or the percentage of the dissociation will understand or will give the criteria of strength of that acid. It means if an acid is dissociate, or you can say the degree of dissociation of that acid is 70%, or you can say 80%, it means that must be a good acid, or you can say strong acid. That's why it can dissociate on a higher level of degree of dissociation. Like if we take example of HCl, whenever it gives the ion in an aqueous solution, it will provide H positive and Cl negative ion. Then HNO3, H positive and NO3 negative. And if we talk about acetic acid, it will give acetate ion and hydrogen ion. Now, if you can compare with these three acids, there is only one hydrogen